Hi everyone! Ever wondered how patterns in numbers work? Let's break it down with a super simple example. Imagine you're at a theater and every seat has a special number. Let's look at seat number 1. It has a little sign that says 1 times 8 plus 3 equals 11. So the value for the first position is 11. Now, move over to the next seat, number 2. Its sign shows 2 times 8 plus 3 equals 19. The value for the second position is 19. Do you see the pattern? Let's check seat number 3. Its sign reads 3 times 8 plus 3 equals 27. The value for the third position is 27. This is called a positioned sequence. The position number, like 1, 2, or 3, helps us find the term, which is the final value. So the rule here is position number times 8 plus 3. Then, what would be the value for seat number 10? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more math tips.